What's up, y'all? It's trade recap for June 3rd. So this week we have NFP on Friday. So going into the morning, I noticed that we had this 4-hour CRT, and then the 6 a.m. candle had taken out the 2 a.m. candle while also tapping into this key level, this SIBI right here, which is our key level. So once I saw this and it looked like we were going to close below, confirming lower prices, I went down to the 5-minute to see where the 9 o'clock candle would close. And as you can see, the 9 o'clock candle closed below. So once I noticed that we were going to close below, I was ready to get short. And so I marked out my turtle soup, which was this right here, and then this order block, which was also a 15-minute order block, as you can see right here. So once we closed down this candle right here, confirming lower prices, I waited for the retracement, and as you can see, 10 o'clock spiked up because we had news at 10. So once I saw the spike in price, I got in quickly, targeting 50% of the range, and as you can see, is right here. So I put my limit right here, my TP was right here, and then I moved my stop loss from up here to right here because we had this failure swing right here with ES. So once I noticed that, I got in, moved my TP to this high of this candle right here, which is the fair value gap right here. So I put my stop loss right here, and then my TP targeting 50% of the range. And as you can see, we came down to it, and then price kind of chopped up a little bit before going lower. And we also had a KOD right here. We had this KOD, and then boom, close below to go lower. But we never came back to this order block right here, which wasn't really high probability because these candles are really skinny. But if you wanted to, you could have gotten right here and then to target the rest of the opposing range. But that's the recap for today. You guys let me know if y'all have any questions in the comments.